Hi everybody, I hope you're enjoying your virtual school. Today we're going to talk about our words, keep doing our sorts and so forth. So today we're working on CVC, CVCE, and CVVC. Okay, so remember, not only do we have to look at the way the words look, we also have to consider the way that they sound and the way that they're spelled. Okay, so the way that we consider how they're spelled is by looking at them visually. And then we need to listen to how they sound to determine if any of them are an oddball and don't follow the patterns. Okay, so you see here we have our words that help us to determine the similar words that fall within the pattern of each category. So our first one is lost with the short vowel because we don't hear the sound in the short vowel. Then we have drove where we hear the O, drove. And we hear the O because there's a silent E. So those are usually easiest for us because the E's help us to hear the vowel sound in the word. Then we also have, which we've talked about, is a CVVC. So when you have the two vowels together next to each other, the first one does the talking while the second does the walking. So we hear the first vowel, but not the second one is silent. So that's why we hear road. Okay? So when you're doing this activity, you're going to out loud with your parent or whomever is helping you, you're going to say each word. So this first word is soft. So now I'm going to think soft. I'm listening. I'm looking to see the spelling, and then I'm going to determine, is it CVC, CVCE, or CVVC? Or does it not follow any of those and it's an oddball? So let me listen again. Soft. That one sounds a lot like soft, lost. So I'm going to say CVC. And look, I'm right. Yay! All right, let's go on to another one. Let's try chose. Chose. Oh, look, I see the E and I see a vowel and it looks a lot like how drove is spelled. And I'm thinking that's a CVCE as well because the E is there. So it should probably go in this column. Let's check. If you guess the same thing, you are correct. Yay! All right, let's do the last one. Foam. So if I look at F, I see that that's a consonant, so that's a C. The O is a vowel, V, because remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. Another vowel, A. So right now I have C, V, V, and then M is a C. So that followed this pattern, but now I need to listen to see if it sounds like road. Foam, road. Do those sound the same? Yeah, I think they sure do. So look, that one falls under CVVC. So now what I want you to do is when you're done, I want you to write in the comments which word was the oddball. Have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow.